Welcome to My Sales Job. Today, we'll be discussing a body of work that has stood the test of time and has been used as a guide for strategic planning and leadership for centuries. It holds valuable insights that are still relevant in today's business world. The Art of War, by Sun Tzu, is a classic military strategy book that has been studied for over 2,500 years. While the book was written for military purposes, its teachings have been applied to many different areas, including business and sales. Salespeople, sales managers, and small business owners can all benefit from the lessons in the art of war. Here are some of the ways that the book can help them. 1. Understanding the competition. Sun Tzu stresses the importance of knowing your enemy and their weaknesses. In the business world, this means understanding your competitors and their strengths and weaknesses. By understanding your competition, you can create a strategy that will give you an edge. 2. Strategy and tactics. The art of war is all about strategy and tactics. Sun Tzu emphasizes the importance of having a plan and executing it effectively. In sales and business, having a well-thought-out strategy and tactics is crucial for success. 3. Leadership. Sun Tzu's teachings on leadership are also relevant for sales managers and small business owners. He stresses the importance of leading by example, communicating effectively, and being adaptable. 4. Negotiation. The art of war also contains valuable lessons on negotiation. Sun Tzu emphasizes the importance of knowing when to fight and when to negotiate. In sales and business, being able to negotiate effectively is a key skill. 5. Adaptability. One of the key themes in the art of war is adaptability. Sun Tzu emphasizes the importance of being able to adapt to changing circumstances. In the fast-paced world of sales and business, being able to adapt to new situations is crucial. These are some of the most important advantages of comprehending Sun Tzu's The Art of War. The Art of War is a timeless masterpiece that provides valuable insights into strategy, leadership, negotiation, and adaptability. Salespeople, sales managers, and small business owners can learn from Sun Tzu's teachings to gain a competitive advantage, create effective plans, and lead their teams to success. By applying the principles in the art of war, salespeople can enhance their communication and negotiation skills while developing effective sales strategies. Sales managers can motivate and lead their teams to success by adopting Sun Tzu's leadership principles. Small business owners can use these strategies to stay ahead of the competition, make informed decisions, and achieve sustainable growth. Although it's beneficial to read or take courses to comprehend Sun Tzu's The Art of War, our 3-minute videos provide a faster and condensed alternative that includes useful tips. Our video follows a visual and audiobook style, which enables people to learn while multitasking or on the go, like driving. In our upcoming series of videos, we will be exploring individual quotes from the art of war, and providing practical tips for how to apply them to your sales and business career. We hope that these videos will be a valuable resource for all salespeople, sales managers, and small business owners looking to improve and grow their businesses. In summary, the lessons from the art of war are highly relevant to those in the sales and business industry. By incorporating these teachings into your approach, you can create successful strategies, build stronger relationships, and thrive in a competitive marketplace. Stay tuned to our channel for more 3-minute videos on Sun Tzu's The Art of War, and start improving your business today. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Buy us a coffee to help this channel to grow. Take care and have a great day.